guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I will be giving you a little guide tutorial about Kohl's Admin Infinite. So what you're going to want to do first is open up the toolbox. If you don't have it open up yet, you'll have to go into view, and then you have to click toolbox. And then go on models, and then you're going to want to search Kohl's Admin Infinite. Enter that. Now, oops, I spelled it wrong, but hold on. Okay, after you looked at it properly, you should get the one at the top, Kohl's Admin Infinite by Script. This is the most reliable one because it is the one by the actual creator of this admin. Now, if you're doing this for a game and you don't want to see this thingy and don't have to bury it in the middle of the game, you delete the thumbnail camera. That will get rid of it and make it invisible. Now, open up settings to get all the juicy stuff. Now, I will be showing you how to use Kohl's Admin Infinite. So, if you're wondering how to add yourself, like you're just probably just wondering like, how do I get myself admin? So, since you are the owner of the game, or you've created the game, you're gonna want to put yourself into owners. You're gonna wanna put down a quote, and then you're gonna write down your username. My username is maxblocks28706, so I'll write that down. And if I wanted to have someone else admin, let's just say noob500, and then you just do quotes and then do noob500. Like 500. And yeah. And this is local band. This shows all the band people in your game. So just say we just do rule breaker 34 or rule brack or whatever. Rule breaker 34. But yeah, and that's how you do that. But if you have more people band that you want to ban just in the script, you're gonna have to like get out of the quote, press dash, and then another quote. And now you write down the other name. And just for kicks, we'll do John Doe, just because we can, you know. But yeah. And these are all the ranks. This is the highest rank, and this is the lowest rank. VIP, you can only do non-abusive commands to yourself. Moderators, they can do this, and it'll just all say it, and this will sing. Now, these are the local settings, like the settings for your admin. Now, flat, this enables or disables the flat theme / arrow theme. Forced color forces everyone to have a set color and transparency. In this basically is like the UIs, you know, like if you like type, let's just say you type in like admins, that will show the admins. So like you know that UI would pop up, the user interface. Now if we quickly exit out of this and quickly make a part, I'm not really sure, but you're gonna see these numbers. You see these numbers right there? Well, it's like 163, 162, 16 something. And then those three codes are the numbers for these. If you put it in there, it would be a different color. So that is color this thingy. Now, color transparency is like the transparency of the UIs. So like if it was at like 1, then it would be then the background UI will be invisible. But the text, I think you'll be able to see it. Right now, I'm just gonna like put it back, or like to like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it like that. And now, chat. This is Kohl's Admin Infinite custom chat. So if I was to make it true, that would enable the custom bubble chat, or sorry, chat, like you know, this thing on the upper right corner. Now the bubble chat is just the same thing. If you like have it true, then it would enable the custom one. But right now we're gonna have it at false. And now admin credit. Admin credit is like the little thing in the bottom in the bottom right corner. That's sort of like that like shows like the credit and who it was made by. If you don't want to have that in the corner, you can just type in false. And that's what we're going to keep it. And now auto clean, false. Right now this is a false. It enables automatic cleaning of hats and tools in like the workspace or your inventory. An auto clean delay. This is like if you drop something on the ground, like a gear or something, then so for example, after 60 seconds, it would disappear. Now the command bar. I'll show you the command bar. Okay. Now the command bar, see it like came up because I wrote down my name. Now the command bar is like a little bar that like you can use to type in commands instead of having to use the chat. Like for example, fly. You also don't have to have a prefix. You also don't have to have a prefix if you're using the bar. But yeah, that is that. And that's the bar. So now if you were going to put it to false, then you wouldn't be able to use the bar and you would have to use the chat. Or seem to have. Fun commands. Fun commands are like commands sort of like fling or fire or not read, but like some other things like that. So like commands just like you can use for fun, for like trolling. But yeah. Free admin. So let's say you wanted to have a free admin game. Then you would make this a number in 1 to 5. Now these are the numbers. And these show each rank, and then you would read it here what people in that rank would be able to do. So let's say we wanted to give everybody who doesn't have a rank like owners or admins, we wanted to give them moderator rank. Then we put down number 2. But we want to do false because this is not a free admin game. Public logs, that allows, I'm not really sure, but it allows all users to see the command and chat logs. So like all users, so like even if they didn't have admin. Now you probably, I'm not actually really sure about that, but yeah. The prefix is like what you have to do. If you have a command that you want to type and you usually do fly, like colon fly. Well, that's what the prefix is. The colon is the prefix. If you happen to do none, if you just wrote down fly in the chat, you would fly. And you could do anything. Like you can even do 34 or something like that. But no, you don't have to do that. Or you could do like at or anything like that. But I'm just gonna leave it like that. Now that's mostly that, and this is just like other things, and that's like some instructions and VIP admin. Yeah, and some other code. But yeah, that's mostly it. This is just like some more information. And then this is just the credit. This. Yeah. But that's basically Kohl's Admin Infinite. That's the tutorial guide. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know something that you want in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.